Ever wondered how that bowl of rice on your table started its journey? Well, it starts from a tiny seedling, planted with precision and care. Rice isn't just a staple food, it's a lifeline for billions worldwide, playing a crucial role in our global food supply. It's a testament to the hard work of farmers who labor tirelessly in the fields. Understanding the process of planting rice seedlings helps us appreciate this humble grain even more. So, how does one go about planting rice seedlings? Buckle up as we dive into the details. Before the seedlings hit the field, they need some prep time. And it all starts with a quality seed. The choice of seed is the cornerstone of a healthy crop. Selecting high-quality seeds is not just about size or color, it's about their potential to grow into robust plants. Once chosen, these seeds are set for pre-germination. We soak them in water, awakening their dormant life force. This process usually takes about 24 to 48 hours. Then we let them sprout, giving them a head start before they're planted. This phase of preparation is vital. It's not just about growing rice, it's about nurturing life from a dormant seed. Now that our seedlings are ready, it's time to introduce them to their new home, the rice field. Welcome to the field, little seedlings. Here's where the magic happens. The first step in this magical process is preparing the field. It's essential to have a leveled field filled with just the right amount of water. The water should cover the soil but not drown the seedlings. This provides an ideal environment for the rice to grow, as it loves wet conditions. Now, it's time to plant the seedlings. This is where your patience and precision come into play. Each seedling needs to be planted at just the right depth. Too shallow and it may not root properly. Too deep, and it could struggle to reach the surface. A depth of roughly 1 inch should do the trick. Spacing is another crucial factor. Each seedling needs its personal space to grow and thrive. About 4 to 6 inches between each seedling is a good rule of thumb, and remember, less is more when it comes to the number of seedlings per hill. 2 to 3 seedlings per hill are usually sufficient, and there you have it. Our seedlings are in the field, ready to grow into the rice that feeds millions. Planting rice seedlings is just the first step in the journey of a rice grain. What comes next, you may ask? Well, there's tending to the growing plants, protecting them from pests, and eventually the exciting process of harvest. We'll delve into these steps in our upcoming videos, giving you a comprehensive understanding of the rice farming cycle. Stay tuned to continue this journey with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more about the fascinating world of farming. Until next time, keep growing. Be